video, I will be showing you how to play FanDuel in the USA with a VPN. Okay, so I will be giving you, or I will introduce at least three VPNs for today. So I want to show you that in my country, I cannot have the access or I cannot log into FanDuel. So if you encounter a situation or problem like this also, here's what you're going to do. And there's a solution for that problem. So the first VPN, of course, you have to use VPN in order for you to get access to this site. And the first VPN for today is NordVPN. And actually, NordVPN has this, or it has number of 60 countries covered and almost 5,800 servers. And actually, the best VPN to hide your FanDuel location is NordVPN. So, yes, there are more than 2,000 servers in the US alone, out of a network of 5,800 servers spread over 60 plus countries, like what I've mentioned earlier. It includes many states where FD is permitted, okay? And you can select a connecting point according on the city. The NordLynx protocol also guarantees a quick and lag-free gaming experience. So that's the first one. And the second we have is Surfshark. Okay, so to enjoy playing FanDuel wherever in the world, Surfshark delivers dependable, quick connectivity and a sizable server fleet. By allowing you limitless VPN connections with only one subscription, Surfshark ensures the best value for your money. This is perfect if you want to share a VPN with loved ones and friends. So the server list on Surfshark is extensive. So there are, I think, 3,200 servers spread over 100 different locations. And the last one we have here is private VPN, and all the information is here. This one is also good. And also same with NordVPN and Surfshark. It's very easy to use. And yes, privacy has never been so fast. They also offer premium. Now choose from 63 private VPN locations and still growing. So you just have to connect to any of this location here till you get access to this FanDuel. So as you can see, suppose that I have connected to one of those locations and I use one of those VPN. So if I'm going to refresh now I can have the access to FanDuel. But here's the thing. Last VPN to mention is Proton VPN. This VPN is for free and I connected to United States. So that's the reason why I have the access to FanDuel. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.